Modern wood furniture plays a pivotal role in contemporary home decor, seamlessly blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. As design trends evolve, wood remains a favorite material due to its versatility, beauty, and sustainability. In the context of modern home decor, wood furniture serves not only as practical solutions for everyday use, but also as expressions of personal style, contributing to the overall atmosphere and character of living spaces. One of the defining characteristics of modern wood furniture is its ability to adapt to various design styles. From minimalist Scandinavian aesthetics to bold industrial looks, wood can be crafted and finished in ways that complement a wide range of decor themes. This adaptability allows homeowners to curate spaces that reflect their individual tastes while maintaining coherence throughout their interiors. For instance, a sleek, unadorned wooden dining table can anchor an open-plan space, providing a warm focal point that invites both functionality and social interaction. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern wood furniture ideas for modern homes. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In modern home decor, the emphasis on open spaces and natural light has increased the demand for materials that enhance these qualities. Wood, with its organic textures and warm tones, brings a sense of nature indoors, creating a soothing and inviting atmosphere. The natural variations in wood grain add depth and interest, making each piece unique. This inherent beauty can soften the often stark lines of contemporary architecture, bridging the gap between the built environment and the natural world outside. By incorporating wood furniture, homeowners can infuse their spaces with warmth and character, fostering a sense of comfort and tranquility. Sustainability is another crucial aspect of modern wood furniture. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many consumers are seeking products that align with their values. Wood, when sourced responsibly, is a renewable resource that can be harvested sustainably. Many modern furniture makers prioritize eco-friendly practices, using reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials. This commitment to sustainability not only benefits the environment, but also resonates with consumers who are increasingly making mindful purchasing decisions. By choosing modern wood furniture, homeowners can support sustainable practices while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of their spaces. The craftsmanship involved in modern wood furniture is also significant. Many contemporary designers and artisans emphasize quality and attention to detail, resulting in pieces that are both functional and beautiful. This focus on craftsmanship reflects a broader cultural shift towards valuing handmade and artisanal products over mass-produced items. Homeowners are increasingly drawn to the stories behind the furniture they choose, seeking pieces that embody skill and artistry. This appreciation for craftsmanship can enhance the emotional connection individuals have with their furniture, transforming everyday items into cherished possessions. The versatility of modern wood furniture extends beyond its aesthetic appeal. It also encompasses adaptability and function. Many contemporary designs are multifunctional, catering to the diverse needs of modern living. For example, a wooden coffee table may double as a storage solution or a side table that can be easily moved to accommodate different activities. This emphasis on versatility allows homeowners to maximize their living spaces, particularly in urban environments where square footage may be limited. By investing in modern wood furniture, individuals can create flexible environments that adapt to their lifestyles. In addition to versatility, modern wood furniture often prioritizes comfort and ergonomics. As people spend more time at home, the demand for furniture that supports well-being has increased. Many contemporary designs feature thoughtful ergonomics, ensuring that pieces are not only visually appealing, but also comfortable for everyday use. This focus on comfort enhances the overall experience of living in a space, allowing homeowners to fully enjoy their environments. The combination of beauty and functionality makes modern wood furniture an ideal choice for creating inviting and livable spaces. Furthermore, modern wood furniture serves as a canvas for personal expression. Homeowners often use furniture as a means of showcasing their individuality and style. The choice of wood type, finish, and design can reflect personal taste, allowing individuals to curate spaces that feel uniquely their own. For instance, a rustic reclaimed wood piece can convey a sense of history and character, while a sleek, polished design may evoke a more contemporary feel. This ability to customize and personalize wood furniture enhances the emotional connection individuals have with their homes, fostering a sense of belonging and comfort. In addition to personal expression, modern wood furniture can also promote social interaction and connection. Furniture pieces, such as dining tables and seating arrangements, are central to gatherings and shared experiences. A well-designed wooden dining table can become a social hub, inviting family and friends to come together for meals, conversations, and celebrations. This emphasis on connection underscores the importance of furniture in creating a welcoming environment where relationships can flourish and memories can be made. The role of modern wood furniture in home decor extends to its impact on overall well-being. Research has shown that the environment in which individuals live can significantly affect their mental and emotional health. Natural materials like wood have been associated with reduced stress and increased feelings of well-being. By incorporating wood furniture into their living spaces, homeowners can create environments that promote relaxation, tranquility, and a sense of grounding. The tactile qualities of wood, its warmth, and the natural beauty it brings can contribute to a more harmonious living experience. Moreover, the cultural significance of wood furniture cannot be overlooked. Throughout history, wood has played a central role in human civilization, symbolizing strength, stability, and connection to nature. In many cultures, wooden furniture has been associated with craftsmanship, heritage, and artistry. By incorporating modern wood furniture into their homes, individuals can tap into this rich cultural legacy, creating spaces that honor tradition while embracing contemporary design. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked modern wood furniture ideas for modern homes. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.